Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the Euler's totient function. So what is a totient function? Totient function return the number of positive integers less than n including 1 that are coprime to n. And for the record, coprime numbers are the numbers with only 1 as common factors. That means the GCD of coprime numbers is always 1. Now the symbol for totient function is phi n, and phi n denotes the totient function of number n. Also, I'd like to mention that Euler's totient function is a multiplicative function, and that means to calculate the totient function of a number we need to understand few steps. Let's say we have a number n. We can write it in the form of p1 alpha 1, p2 alpha 2 up to pk alpha k, and this form denotes the product of prime factors of the number n. And then the formula for totient of n will be equal to n multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon p1 multiplied with 1 minus 1 upon p2 up to 1 minus 1 upon pk. So now that's the formula, which is called Euler's product formula, and let's see its application. So now we'll take an example. Let's say we need to find the totient of number 20. That means we need to find the number of positive integers less than 20 that are coprime to 20. So first of all we will prime factorize 20, and by prime factorizing we will get that we can write 20 as the product of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and also we can rewrite it as 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5. We have written this form as we only need the distinct prime factors of the number for which we need to find the totient. So now we'll apply the formula. The totient of 20 will be equal to 20 multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon 2, that is this p1, and then 1 minus 1 upon 5, that is this p2. So when we solve it we'll get 1 minus 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 by 2, and 1 minus 1 by 5 will be equal to 4 by 5, and when we'll solve it we'll get the value 8. So now we can easily write the 8 numbers that are less than 20 and also coprime to 20. So those numbers will be 1, 3, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19. So these are the 8 numbers that are less than 20 and are coprime to 20. Pardon for that. So now that's a quick trick to find the totient of a number. I hope you'd like this video. If you find this method helpful, please like and share this video. And for more maths related videos, subscribe my channel. You can also follow me at Google+, Facebook and Twitter by using the links given in the description below. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.